Hello everyone and welcome to the series of JavaScript code snippets. This is episode 7 and today we are going to see how we can create UUIDs in the browser itself. You must have used UUID. What UUID stands for is Universal Unique Identifier, and you must have used some packages to create those. But what if I say that we can create UUIDs right in the browser itself? So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, let's create a function UUID generate on browser. Right. Next, this will give a number to us. So first of all, let's see what does it gives us. So if I enter this in the console, this is going to give us a number, right? And the next thing that we are going to do is we are replacing every 0, 1 and 8 in that number with whatever this function will return us. Next, what we are going to do is return the C that is getting here. This C is exactly those zeros, ones and eights, and raise it to the power of whatever is returned from this get random values. So this get random value is a method on the crypto API of the browser. So with the help of this, we can create a unique identifier ID right on the browser. This is going to return a number, but what we want is a string, and that also in a hexadecimal format. So for that, we'll use the toString method, right? And next, when we call it, you can see that we have generated the UUIDs. What if I remove this hexadecimal conversion via the toString method? If I remove this, you can see clearly that this still is an unique identifier, but this is not quite friendly, right? So what we can do is get that toString back, and boom, we have the unique identifier UUID. So that's all. That's how you create a UUID generator on the browser itself. Thank you.